Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some stuff I picked up from a sale, an order, and my bingo winnings from Kathie's World. So I'll start out with stuff I picked up from Nick's Crafty Corner, and I got this stamp. I thought it was kind of cool, the zigzags. And I don't remember if she threw these in as a thank you, but I don't remember. Maybe I bought them. I don't remember. But they're cool. It says nothing but blue skies. Enjoy the journey. A great adventure. Good times. Live life. Airplane. And it's all good. Something. But that's that. That's cool. I might have bought them. I don't remember. And these little circles. I thought that was a neat background. Let's see who. I don't know who made. Oh, Hero Arts. And this is a Stampin' Up one. And then this big one. I thought would be cool. I'm hoping I can take this off. I might. Oh, yeah. I can peel that off. So, I got that one. I can't wait to see how this down as a background. Got that. And then I got this punch. Different. And, well, I bought this for Rue. And also got this stamp. I thought it was so cute. The little fox and the unicorn. It says, "Stay clever, my foxy friend. It's okay to be different. Never lose your sparkle. You are one of a kind and believe." I just thought I liked the little flowers on around it. I'm like, huh. That. And little puffballs. Christmassy. And I think she threw this in because I don't remember grabbing the unicorn little embossing folder. Unicorn Believer. I may have, like I said, I don't know. And then she had these odd dies. And she didn't know what they made. And this looks like a crescent moon. And maybe some bats or something. I'm not sure. But what interests me were these. I could see a little ears. And then a little cat. And I thought they'd be kind of cute little index cards. And I'll make a little. So I got them for a little or nothing. And I got some little puffy, glitter puffy stickers. And these stickers. I've been trying to find more of these. My Dollar Tree hasn't had them, but I like using these in little ATC cards, so I got them. And I thought this one was cute. The little roller coaster guy, ice cream Ferris wheel, and a puppy. And I got some colored pencils. This was in a case. I told her for shipping why she could take them out. And they're colored pencils, and they are Fantasia. I don't know how well they work, but I don't care. And then she had this set by Paper Crafts. So I'll just go in my whatchamacallit that I have my pencils in anyway, so it doesn't matter. I have this. One of these cases, and I should be able to fit some in here. So they'll go in there. And that's from Nick's Crafty Corner. And I won bingo the other night. Woohoo! And I can't remember who Kathie said this was donated by, but I opened this one right away when I was outside. But look at this little gnome card. It is so adorable. It's painted. I can't read that, but KIZ 2023. Oh, right here, let's see. Meta Studio, handcrafted by Rustic. Oh, my eyes are so bad. I gotta get a magnifying glass. Rustic Billiston. I'm saying her name wrong. This is so cute. I'm not using it as a card. I'm thinking about framing that. I have a thing for gnomes, so I may put that in a little frame. And also, the winnings was a pair of earrings. Look at her talented work. I have one of her necklaces somewhere. I won. I don't where I have it hung up. I'll have somewhere. Look at that. Okay. And then I won bingo a few weeks ago, jewelry, and I mentioned to Kathie that I didn't get the earrings, and she couldn't find it. We don't know if it got lost in the mail or what happened, but she replaced them. She said, I'll just replace them. She sent me these. They're cool. This is vanilla. They're cool. So thank you, Kathie Cards and Billiston. I know I'm screwing up her name. Yeah. So save that tissue paper. Put that right there. And then my order from a site here, locally. Well, she sells all over, but she's actually from the state of Wisconsin, like me, and her name is Tina also. And I order from her once in a while. And she had this on her sale, and it is an Art by Marlene Christmas. Get the little snow globe, the little thing, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, warm wishes, Merry Christmas, and look at the little elf. I thought it was so adorable. Oh, there we turn it over. So I got that, and that is everything, guys. So I want to thank you guys for coming in, watching my bingo winnings, my purchases. I hope you all are having a wonderful Saturday. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and be nice to each other out there. And bye for now.